This works worldwide. So if you're in any corner of the world, need not to worry. You just have to do this once and you'll be making here a passive income. Hello guys, just before I show you anything, if you like this type of content and want to see more, just hit that big fat thumbs up button so that I get motivated to make more such videos. Don't forget to press that subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you get notified whenever I post any of my future videos. Okay, so let's dive into this. The strategy I'll be showing you up today, which revolves around this site, that is cafepress.com. On this website, you can buy bunch of different items. Like they have some occasions. According to the occasions, you can select any of these. According to your birthdays, you can select over here wedding and anniversaries, for bridal shower gifts, for bridesmaid, for babies they have new baby gifts, baby shower gifts. According to the religious events, you can also select any of these. So there are tons and tons of different items. Guys, we don't have to pay anything for this website, so need not to worry. You don't have to invest anything. Well, we'll be designing some of these products and making money because this website allows us to design online, like women's t-shirts. Just we have to design and need not to worry about anything like shipping or engaging customers. This website does everything for us. I'll be showing you a free tool but later on so that you can design your products very efficiently. And the interesting part about that tool is you need not need any designing skills, so anyone can do that. Your work will efficiently come down to upload images. In any case, you can check this website for yourselves. This website includes some graduate to a new level of trends and all these live and prosper. These are some fantastic partners which have partnered with this website. Here you have pets which have make everything better, and here now I just don't want to go very deep because I actually want to show you is when you come here to this website, just scroll down and reach to the very bottom of the page and you will find here start selling. Just click on that and you will be taken straight over to this page. Here you can create and upload a design. Like here it's given an image of a pillowcase. So you can also sell your design on products and make money when someone uses your design on their products. Now this website does everything for you, whether your products to selling and finally shipping. Something very interesting about this site is the traffic on this website it gets, and here this website called as similarweb.com comes in. Using this website, you can see how many people visited a particular website every single month. So guys, I have already inserted this website and you can see here the cafepress.com. Here it includes 2.58 million people have visited this website. This was very important to show you guys because obviously the more people visit, the more money you can make. Okay, again back to the site. Now guys, click on add designs, which will now bring you straight here where you have to add email, password and create your account. From here, you need to go to your email account for account verification. You can see here guys, I have opened my email account where you can see this blue color link. Just click on that link and you will be redirected to the home page. To make you understand well, I'll show you my account so that you will be more clear when you do it by yourself. So guys, this is my account. Now let's just start designing. So firstly, hover your mouse to create your own, and in that, click on clothing. In clothing, you have men's, women's, kids clothing, baby clothing and many more. For example, I'll be doing here in clothing, I'll be clicking here women's t-shirts. Now guys, you can see there are different items, different options for your designing. So if you make more designs, the more potential customers you'll engage, that will directly increase your income. So for the sake of the videos, I'll be showing you to design a t-shirt of a woman, but understand guys, you have tons of different options, so you can choose any of these. So when you pick your product type, you'll be brought up over this page. So to pick the actual product you want to design, and also you can see how much money the particular product costs. I can choose any of these. There are some t-shirts, some hoodies, some long sleeve t-shirts and many more. I'll choose this for example. Pick this, you'll be redirected to this page. From here you can pick any color. You have many color options, you have size chart, you can also increase the quantity. Many different customization is possible. And when you want to add a new t-shirt, you can upload any image. Stick with me guys, because the site I'm going to show you will literally help you more. I'll reveal that in a bit, and I'll also give you some ideas and tips on which type of images you should focus on so that you engage customers easily. Anyhow, you can also add texts here all in one. This is a great site guys. Now guys, this is a website name png3.com, where you can download royalty-free images. That means you can use their images for free and you can download for commercial purposes too. That means you can apply them on your t-shirt and then sell them to make more profit. This website allows you to download thousands and thousands of images. So you have many sorts of images here. Firstly, you have to register right here. From there, you just enter your basic information, and now you might be thinking which type of images you should download. I'll suggest you guys, you should make graphic or animal photos. These are one of the best because people love these type of images, so you might get a good sale. So when you log in, you have to research for an image you want. I have searched here. To download any image, just hover on that image and click on PNG right here. Or alternatively, just click on that image and click on free download, and that's it. Now I have something to mention. With a free account, you can only download 2 photos per day. But more than that, if you want to download unlimited photos per day, you need to pay to this site. But I think that's not necessary. Anyways, download any of these and then use for designing your products. Alright, so I just uploaded one of my photo, downloaded from the other side. As you can see, the shirt looks pretty good. And now if you want to add text or whatever you want, in the end, just rinse and repeat the process I have showed you, because I know now you can handle everything. Just pick one product to design, upload the image and sell it for a decent profit. Your designs stay here forever. Anyways, that's it. I'll end here. So if you guys love this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you soon.